Hello everyone, hope you're ready for a new hairstyles. Grab the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the wrap and grab another section of the hair right below it and tie it over the first tail with another wrap and do it totally for 3 times with the remaining section of the hair at the bottom. Split them into 3 equal parts and have it braided and roll the braid inwards and make it to the top and have it in place by dropping little hairpin through it and decorate your hairstyle by dropping little hairpin in the middle of the braid we have. Get the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the wrap band and drop the tail into the loop, making a favorite twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair along with the tail we have it as a ponytail and have a wrap band touch the middle part of the tail and bend the tail over to the top and stuff it inside the last loop of the wrap band and also stuff it inside the middle part and move the entire tail to the top and have it in place by dropping beautiful hair cluster. Go for a ponytail and fix the wrap band attached to the top middle part and create a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it, then split the tail into 2 and make it to the top, making a heart and shell lump. Then secure the lump with the wrap band over that. Have it come around the lump we created right underneath the bottom and drop on your favorite hair cluster on top of that to secure the hairstyle further. Insert a very long bun maker behind the ponytail horizontally and twist the entire tail onto it, making it completely hidden. Then make it swirl in a clockwise direction into one cycle and continue twisting it until you form a smooth bun. Then with the excess tip we have it combined behind the bun we have. Then have the whole bun in place by moving the pretty tip to its position to the top. Hold your bunch on top and have a beautiful hairpin attached to the bottom of the wrap band and move to the top and secure there. With the remaining bunch we have a wrap band attached to the middle part of the tail and bend the tail stuff it to the last tip of the wrap band and make it hidden behind the middle section and move the lump down this by having a big black hairpin through it. Make a bunch and hold it on top and have a big black hairpin attached to the bottom of the bunch and move the bunch back and comb it and have a wrap band attached to the middle part of it and bend the tail forward and stuff it inside the middle part, making it completely hidden out of sight. Then drop on your beautiful hairpin through the wrap band to secure the bun in place. Go for a lovely ponytail out of your gorgeous hair and insert a very long bun maker behind the ponytail vertically and twist the entire tail onto it, making it completely hidden and also forming a singular braid. Then secure the end with the wrap band. Once when you're done with that, roll the ponytail into a clockwise direction, making it as a bun and hide the tip underneath the bun we created. Have the whole bun in place by moving the pretty tip to the bottom of it. Grab the sides of the hair at the top and tie in the middle of the wrap and drop the tail into the loop, making a twisted band. Grab another section of the hair right below the first one and tie it over the first tail with the wrap band and drop the tail into the loop, making a twisted band again. Do the same twisted band for totally 4 times and drop on your favorite hairpin on top of the wrap band we have to enhance your hairstyle even more further. Create a ponytail and straighten it down by using a simple bun maker all the way to the bottom and roll it and make it to the top outwards and bend it down, forming a circle and hide the excessive bun maker by extending the hair over that. Then to decorate your hairstyle even more further, drop in your beautiful bun cluster around that. Twist your entire hair at the bottom up to the end and make it folded to the top and have it in place by dropping a beautiful hair cluster onto that point. Hold your entire hair from the bottom and twist it against your index finger, making as a lovely hair roll and pinch out the hair a little bit to the top, making a little loop and secure with a lovely hair cluster on top of that. Go for a ponytail out of your gorgeous hair and to decorate your ponytail even more further, drop in your favorite hairband on top of that. Have a wrap band over your thumb and make it go underneath the ponytail we have into one cycle and drop it over the first loop we have and release the second loop and have the first loop twisted and drop the tail into it. So continue doing it until you tighten the loop. This is how you should do a ponytail. Thank you everyone for watching this video.